Did you know why capybaras can befriend all kinds of people and animals? It's not because of luck, but because capybaras have the ability to instantly put other animals at ease. First, capybaras are the largest rodents in the world. Despite their large size, they are very calm and non-aggressive. Second, capybaras are known as one of the friendliest animals. They get along well with dogs, cats, birds, and even predators like crocodiles. Third, capybaras are excellent swimmers. They enjoy being near water and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. That's why capybaras are called the world's most laid-back animals. They're large, calm, and everyone instantly trusts them.